welcome back to Hina's Creative Hub, where we explore fun and easy activities just for you. So today we are going to learn how to peel a boiled egg all by ourselves, step by step. So let's get started. In step 1, first we need to boil the eggs. Ask an adult to help you put the eggs in hot water and let them cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. So make sure you have 2 glass bowls, trays, plates and a bowl of cold water ready. So guys, in step 2, it's time to start cracking. Gently tap the egg on a hard surface like table or the kitchen counter or plate. You will see little cracks appear. Now roll the egg under your palm to loosen the shell even more. In step 3, start peeling the egg from the bigger end. Kids, did you know there is a little air pocket there? So that's why it's easier to start from this side. Carefully remove the shell piece by piece, making sure not to break the egg white. So take your time and be gentle. In step 4, after peeling the shell, now you have a smooth, clean egg ready to eat or use for another fun recipe. Oh wow, it looks so yummy. Kids, in step 5, you can try this activity with colorful eggs. If you want to make it even more fun, just add some food coloring to the boiling water for a bright surprise. Guys, peeling eggs is not only fun, but it also helps improve your hand-eye coordination. Make sure to try this activity at home with your parents or with your friends. Viewers, if you had fun peeling eggs with us, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to Hina's Creative Hub. For more awesome activities, share this video with your friends so they can join the fun too. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.